Let's try 100 squats every single day for 30 days, 1 whole month, and see what it does. I don't think I need to explain any further. Let's look at the before and do day 1. So this is the before, the current status. I've never had like a super flat butt, but obviously I would like to put in some work. I would like to tone, to tighten, to round, you know, all that good stuff. They're just gonna be plain, basic, standard squats in place, no extra weight. Let's start. Day 1. Tell me why I'm at 25 and I'm already so out of breath. I don't wanna 74, 75, 100. I didn't expect to be this tired in terms of like out of breath. Like, yeah, I'm tired in terms of my muscles are tired, but I'm like out of breath. That was way harder than I thought. I'm like sweaty already too. Like, I feel like a freaking sweat mustache. I ran up and down the stairs after I finished those squats and my thighs were burning, and it's a few hours later and I swear they're already sore. So, okay, see you tomorrow for day 2. I'm honestly very sore. I'm so out of breath. And my thighs are so tight. I get so tired so fast. I'm like halfway done right now and I'm like, oh my god, I have to do that again. Like, another half. Okay. My thighs just feel so tight every time. Every time. That has not gotten easier at all. I'm so tight. I feel it way more in my thighs than my butt, but I always still get butt results. Last day, last 100 squats. I'm honestly so ready for this just to be over. So I just finished day 30. It was still hard to get through every single time, you know? Like day 1 versus day 30 obviously got easier over time, and like I was less and less sore. Like I don't really get sore just from this alone anymore. Day 1 I was really sore the next day, but it definitely got easier to do, but like I still get so out of breath and like want to take breaks throughout. Like it's not easy to just bust out 100 with squats, you know? It also though like kind of got boring. Like 100 is a long time. Like it just gets boring, and then I start like thinking about things, then I'm like, wait, am I like, are my legs too far apart? Are they too close together? Like I would second guess my form, even though like it's just a squat. It just got long and boring, and I was just like, wait, am I actually even like doing this right? Am I targeting the right muscles? You know, because if your legs are farther apart, they'll target different muscles versus if they're closer together. And I was going for like a very standard squat. I honestly have no idea if I have any results. Like I straight up need to take my after pictures probably tomorrow morning and then compare it to my before pictures, because I have no idea. I also haven't really been like checking and trying to see. Like I'll look at myself in the mirror and be like, great, but like I don't know. So looking at the before and afters, you can definitely tell there is a difference. From the side view, you can tell, I feel like my butt looks both rounder and a little bit larger. Of course, it's not like an insane difference, but I do think it's enough where it's visible. I don't know, like I do definitely see a difference. However, from the front and the back, I don't really see a difference, which is fine. And when I was doing these squats, I definitely could feel it in my thighs, but I don't really like see a difference through my leggings or anything. But from the side, you can definitely tell there's a difference. However, I do think this is the kind of thing where if I don't keep up with this, it probably would go away. And bodyweight squats are great, but in my kind of theory, because like I don't know this as fact, but in my opinion, like my theory, I feel like weighted squats are more beneficial in the long run, because if you think about it, you know, you can keep challenging yourself, you can keep building your muscle, making it harder, making your muscles work harder, and I feel like that is more sustainable, whereas when you're just using your body weight, it's not more challenging. It should just get easier. Of course, they both have their pros, but also a big thing to point out is keep in mind your entire glute is made up of several muscles, so for the best outcome, you do want to be doing different exercises to target all these different muscles. There's the gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, gluteus minimus, and tenor fasciae latae muscles by quick research. So of course, different types of exercises are gonna target different muscles, and you know, for the best, you'd wanna do them all. If you only do one type of workout, you might like end up feeling like you're a little disproportionate. Again, I don't know this all for fact. This is all theory and quick research. Of course, body weight and weighted squats are both going to build muscle, make you stronger. It might honestly come down to personal preference, but surface level, I just think about it, body weight squats, you know, there's kind of like a max that you can hit, whereas weighted squats, you can keep making it more challenging, which in my opinion, might be more beneficial. So I'm gonna get back into that next. But what did you think of this video, this challenge? Would you try it? Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in my next one.